Hi everyone, my name is Gabrielle Fuentes Galapia. You can call me Gigi and I'm representing the province of Pampanga.
Can you tell us something about your experience with Miss World Philippines and Hikari Motorcade earlier?
It's my first motorcade, no? So I didn't really know what to expect. At first, it was scary kasi nasa likod kami ng pickup truck. Pero it was a really great experience kasi, meeting people is one of the things that I love the most. So I was able to see yung mga faces ng mga tao, ganun. Tapos, binibigyan namin sila ng mga sunscreen, ng mga candy. And nakikita ko na super saya sila. Like, Gina G sila na makakuha ng mga products and everything. And also to meet us. So it was a really great experience. It's a great first experience also. Yun.
Were you afraid ba kanina na you might get dark or tan because of the
No
tan?
naman, because I have sunscreen. I have Hikari with me. So no, I wasn't really afraid. I was more of like enjoying the moment. Medyo masakit lang siya sa balat, pero hindi naman siya yung parang, hala, magtatan ako. Yan.
Okay, so congratulations for being one of the top two
Thank
for the
you.
head-to-head challenge
Thank you
of Miss
so
World
much.
Philippines.
Thank you.
So our fans is expecting more
Oh.
from you this coming finals when?
Yes. On February 3 in MOA Arena. The tickets are already available. So if you guys want to watch in MOA, you guys can.
Social media for your updates.
Oh, that's Gabrielle.Galapia. So yung Gabrielle ko, it's LLE.GALAPIA. Bye guys! Thank you so much! See you sa finals!